Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you see me here in my home, you know it's time for a little bit of cleaning, but I just kind of wanted to take the time and welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And just give a little intro, reintroduce myself. Hi, my name is Radi. I am a Caribbean girl and I'm now living in France, and I'm just trying to make my way here in France, so I get to show you guys a little bit of my adventures here and there and discovering things that doesn't really exist on my island back home. To me, cleaning a home is like an exercise on itself. So I am wearing a leggings that I bought at Temu for not very much, so I am flexible to do whatever I have to do, and I just have on a t-shirt, a sports bra, so I'm comfortable and I could do everything that I have to do. My hair is also in a mess because it needs to wash. It's the end of the week, so I just need to redo it, but that's not something I'll be doing today, maybe in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you want to know my hair routine, products that I use, and all of that stuff. The Febreze spray just to make the place smell good. And yes, I'm using like a Hawaiian tropical scent. Here in France, you don't actually get a lot of seasonal different types of scents. Like for example, with Christmas coming up, I don't get any or much candy cane type of scents. And even for fall, there's not a lot of apple or cinnamon. If it's not inside of a candle, you don't really get it like in a spray bottle, like how you if you're like from the States, the Mrs. Myers, you get different types of scents depending on the season. Here in France, even the French products, they don't really do that. They just have like the one standard scent, or at least one or two scents, but there's not like variety or depending on the season, so that kind of sucks. It doesn't really help much to me. I mentioned earlier how I do vlogs sometimes of my adventures here in France, so do stay until the end of the video because we did actually went to like, it's in French it's called Parc de l'Étrange, which translates as Strange Park, where they actually did like I want to say like a parkour, like a path, and they had like a bunch of Halloween decorations, and they had some people dressed up in costumes there to spook you or just to act out a little bit, and there was like a drone show, and it was so fun. That was actually one of the things that we did as a date night. And the reason why I'm putting it in this video also is because I don't think that I'll be able to edit another video for it to be up in time for Halloween, so we will already be in November. So that's why I'm putting it at the end of this video. So that's just for all of those of you who are watching my channel or my videos just for like the travel and the outing type of vlogs. It's at the end. I know that most of the guys, you guys just see me, but my boyfriend does help out in the house. Like while I was doing all this stuff, he probably washed the dishes and took out the trash. After that, we did get a head start on prepping for the week. So for breakfast, I have plantain and eggs. Tell me you're a Caribbean girly without telling me you're a Caribbean girly. And then I just made some spaghetti with ground beef and plantains. Again, I forgot to actually click the recording button, so I don't really have much footage of that. But also let me know if you guys like to see more of cooking, meal preparation, inspiration on recipes, and I will definitely try to incorporate that. Now it's time to go for a creepy evening walk. It's so rare that I go out on Paris at night, but it is such a beautiful place. If you are wondering, in the Caribbean, we don't really celebrate a Halloween in this type of sense. There's more like, okay, you go to the club, you get to dress up, but I'm not a club type of girl. I just like the decoration, the sightseeing, those type of stuff. Always has been, and I feel sad that I don't really or have anybody that I've connected with from my own island that liked the weirdness that I was into, especially when Halloween's come around, or even like the decorations for Christmas and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm glad that I get to do it now with you guys on YouTube. And for this part, we did really enjoy all of the decorations that I have. We enjoyed the walk, we enjoyed the different sceneries. I couldn't really vlog. There was like a lot of people, and also I didn't want it to get copyrighted on the music. So I hope you guys do enjoy all of the creepiness that there is. And I really, really appreciate you, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Oh no, it's Benny. Where's your taxi?